Bonham Farms. It's been a grain farm for over 100 years. We farm corn, wheat, and soybeans on 300 acres. My name is Mike Bonham. I've been working at the Soil Conservation District since 2005, and I try to be an example for other farms to incorporate limited tillage, no-till, and now we're planting green for our corn in the living cover crop for the Conservation Stewardship Program. The value of the cover crop is increased soil activity, whether it be through microbes, worms. Even more important to me is the soil erosion end of it and something covering the soil at all times.
My name is Michelle Padano. I'm the District Conservationist for the NRCS office in Vineland, New Jersey, and we are outside of Bridgeton in Cumberland County at the Bonham Farms. We did a lot of traditional cost share work for irrigation system improvements, erosion control measures, some buffer filter strips, and a lot of times when someone has exhausted our more traditional financial assistance programs, we start thinking about the Conservation Stewardship Program so that they can continue on and take things to the next level.
Through the CSP program, we've been able to work with less tillage, reduce passes across the field, and planting into the green cover crops. We typically try to take the money that we receive as far as payments for that to try to improve what we have. I mean, I've had instances where I buy something from my planter and try it and it doesn't work. You take them off and you order something new. You know, having those NRCS payments, help to give you a little bit of a cushion to be able to do that. So my advice is any cooperator or farmer should have a good relationship with their local NRCS office. Doesn't mean you have to go all in at once, but you can certainly try to start adapting to, practices that will help conserve the natural resources.
And that's the best part about working with NRCS. We're non-regulatory. We're on farms because we've been invited or requested, and folks want us there.
As far as planting green, we plant directly into that cover crop, that living seed bed. The soil feels nicer in your hand. You can see the microbiology, infiltration rates improve, and honestly, you just don't see much runoff. They don't make new topsoil, so you need to conserve as much of the topsoil as you can.
To learn more, simply go to farmers.gov, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page where it says subscribe, give us an email address, and then you can select which county's newsletter you would like to receive every month.